Hello, my beautiful family. How are you? Thank you for being a blessing and coming into my day. I hope you're doing well. Let's get cozy. Maybe you take your shoes off. Sit in a comfortable position so we can do our 5 breaths, which help with our nervous system. Today we're going to talk about loving ourselves. We're so open to helping others, dropping what we're doing, making sure that everyone's taken care of. But when do we take care of us? And so maybe that's, if it resonates, what you think about today. How can I love myself more? How can I show up for myself more? That's a really good question, isn't it? How can I show up for myself more? So if that resonates, you think about that today. Maybe you think about that during your 5 breaths. And also, while you're taking your breath, maybe you're feeding yourself love. Like, I love you. You show up every day for me. I love you, body. What do you need from me? So let's do those beautiful 5 breaths, putting our feet on the ground, thinking about golden roots coming down, connecting into this beautiful planet Gaia, Mother Earth. She shows up for us every moment. And how do we show up for ourselves? There's some beautiful birds that want to get in this conversation today. So let's begin. We breathe in. We're breathing in love for ourselves. I guess that blue jay's got some good information to share with us too. Okay, is that what they should do? Okay, well, we like your suggestions. Okay, all right, there we go. He put his 2 cents in. So we're gonna take a breath in of love for ourselves, and we're gonna breathe out love also. So today is all about love. Today is about breathing. It's about love for you. That bird's cracking me up. So let's do our first breath in. I love you, body. Thank you for showing up. Second breath. This body is safe and protected. Thank you for all that you do. Third breath. What do you need, body, to feel more loved? Fourth breath. I love you, body. Thank you for all that you do. And fifth breath, I release all that makes me sad or unhappy, so my body can thrive today. So today, think of ways to show yourself more love, more kindness, just like you do for everyone else that you show up for. And I'm just gonna have a few moments of quietness just for you to enjoy the beauty. May you be surrounded in the love from the Creator of all that is, and feel that love cocoon you, that unconditional love. Be well, my family. I love you. The world needs you. The world needs your love. Until we meet again.